you fixing your motorcycle?
Yeah, all by myself with just my hand.
Just your hand?
Yeah. Mommy, did you know the rope just paint that because it was just right because the workers hope that that one is flat, but that was not flat too.
Okay.
It's even flat.
Okay.
Mommy, let's go for a race, Mommy.
Okay, go. Oh. Asa man ka?
I'm going over here. Hurry. Wait.
Okay, do that pa, right? Sige. Okay, dali.
Mommy, let's get that down and I will do that. But I want to do it.
Come on.
Okay, Mommy, I will. I think not the battery off.
The battery's off now.
No, it's not on. My word, but the battery was low. First, we just charged it and it worked. First, it just worked, but it was trying to get slow. But the grass make it slow. But this one is kind of down because I don't like it. No. It didn't work.
Okay, dali. Sige.
Let's go over there. Okay. Mommy, let's race together. I have an idea. Maybe we can race.
Ikaw na.
Mommy, what about we race, Mommy?
Okay.
Do it, Mommy. Let's go. Here we go.
Oh. You need help?
Yeah.
Na-stuck na ikaw? Sige nga to. Sige nga to kay Panda, diretso.